How much money you'll make by selling a $600,000 house at $800,000 after 5 years? Let's find out. You put $120,000 as a down payment and $10,000 in closing costs. Over 5 years, property tax, insurance and maintenance costs around $30,000. So your initial cost becomes $160,000. The remaining mortgage is $480,000 at 4.5% interest. The monthly payment is about $2,700 a month. Over 5 years, you pay $160,000 in mortgage payments. Out of that, about $90,000 goes to the interest, and roughly $70,000 reduces the mortgage principal. So after 5 years, the remaining mortgage balance is around $410,000. Now, let's say in 2030 you sell the property for $800,000. Selling costs are around 5%, which is $40,000, leaving $760,000. From that, you pay the remaining mortgage of $410,000, leaving you with $350,000. But $160,000 was your initial investment and you have paid $162,000 in mortgage. That means your total money spent is $322,000. So let's remove this from the $350,000 left. $350,000 minus $322,000 equals to $28,000 in profit. So after 5 years, you made just $28,000 while the bank earned about $90,000 in interest. And this is the reality nobody tells. Making short-term money in real estate is almost impossible, but making long-term money in real estate is guaranteed.